Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vanity tour. So I'll be bringing you guys back on this side of my desk and showing you guys what I have in my vanity. If you are excited for this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already, and hit that notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. So we'll start off with the chair. This was about $40 at Ross. It is a really soft chair. It spins, it goes up and down depending on how high up you want to be. I really like this chair. If you are in the market for a good chair, I would try TJ Maxx or Ross. They always have really good selections and it's pretty affordable. And then this is my vanity. It is a desk actually. This up top, this marbling is, I forget what it's called, but it's pretty much just a giant sticker that just went over top of it. And that is how we got the marble look on it. And then, like I said, it's just a desk that I turned into a vanity. This is the first drawer we will look into. This little container I got at the dollar store. I think it was like 3 of them for $1. They're pretty flimsy, but they do the job. And in this container, I just keep a whole bunch of my primers. I also have my contour stick, cream highlighter. I have some hand sanitizer. And then I have some clips over there. I also keep my beauty sponges in here as well as my foundations. Just got the IT Cosmetics CC Plus, the Naked One and Done, Urban Decay, NARS, Tarte, Milani, Maybelline, and then I also have my setting sprays and a gradual tanning lotion that I rarely ever use. So that is what is in my first drawer. Moving on to the second drawer. And this is where I keep all of my powder products. So I have setting powders, the loose powders. I have my bronzers, my blushes, my highlighters. Just got a lot of different powder products in here. So we've got some Coty Airspun, some Sleek, Pure, Jeffree Star, Kat Von D, MAC and Patrick Star, the Amrezy highlighter. We've got the Maybelline Fit Me powder. We've got the Physicians Formula bronzer. We also have the IT Celebration Foundation Illumination. I've been testing this out for a couple weeks and I really, really like it. If you have dry skin, this might be something that you would like. And then I have all of my blushes. I've got Tarte, Physicians Formula, Wet n Wild, and then I've got all of my highlighters. I've got smaller highlighters right here and the bigger highlighters right here. So yes, this drawer is pretty much just all of my powder products. Moving on to the last drawer, this is where I keep all of my brushes. I don't like to leave anything on top of my vanity because then my children likes to get a hold of them. So this is where I keep all of my brushes. I have my bigger face brushes, brushes that I rarely use, smaller face brushes up here, and then all of my eye brushes down here. And then I also keep some makeup wipes and a random lotion. So this is my brush drawer. Moving on to this big drawer in the middle. This is where I keep my straightener and some curling wands back here, my brush, I have some jewelry, hair ties, bobby pins, lashes, and some single shadows, glitters. I also have smaller eyeshadow palettes, my glitter glue, lash glue. So this is kind of like a random drawer. So that is what is in there. Moving on to this side on the top drawer. Back here I've got extra hand sanitizer. I also have some little tiny hair elastics. These I pretty much got for my youngest son. He's 1.5 years. He has really long hair and so I tie his hair back with those sometimes. Also, if I'm braiding my hair, those are really good to use. I also have some nail polish, a lighter for my candle that sits up here, some tape just in case I am doing an eyeshadow look that I want to use tape for. And then this is a corrector palette. I don't really use this. I used it once for holiday pictures whenever I was breaking out really bad. So that's just back there. And then I have 2 of these little containers. Like I said, these were $3 for $1 at the dollar store. And this was $2 for $1, I believe. These are a lot more sturdy. So this one back here just has all of my liners, mascaras. I also have an Urban Decay primer potion, which I used like twice, and I don't really like it, so it just stays there. I also have a sharpener and my tweezers. Then in this front one, I have all of my concealers and my brow products. Moving on to the middle drawer, this is where I keep all of my lip products. The first one is all of my most used shades. So these are pretty much like pinkies and nudes and glosses. Pretty much just everyday colors for me. And then this second one is all of the darker colors, like the darker pinks, the reds, the burgundy colors. I'm not really big on gloss, so I have glosses back there. I do keep the Fenty up front because that's a really pretty one. But I have almost every color in this Rimmel Stay Matte formula. This is my favorite formula from the drugstore. But then you also have the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. This is also a really good one from the drugstore. But then we do still have our Jeffree Stars. Got some Pokey. These are Laura Geller. Some Tiny Mac. This is a Maybelline. Got a little sample of Tarte. So those are all of my liquid lips and regular lipsticks. And I don't really use lip liners all that much, but I do have a few, and I just keep them in this little thing right here. Now moving on to the last drawer. And this is where I keep all of my bigger eyeshadow palettes. I really don't have that many. I do have the Jaclyn Hill palette. I have a Tarteist Pro, the Tarte Clay Play, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam Take Me Back to Brazil, and the Smashbox from their holiday collection this year, the Drawn In and Decked Out palette. So that is everything in my vanity. And that is it for my vanity tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other video requests, please be sure to leave those down below in the comment section. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already, as well as hit that notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.